Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Praveen Kumar Bomiseti. Today we'll see one of the SQL tricky question. Okay, if you see this image, you'll get, okay, so I'm having one table, it's having 4 columns and 4 records, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. Okay, so if you see what happened, okay, what's the requirement is that what I want to get number of pieces in all the columns, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so from entire table, okay, from all the columns, I want to get total number of columns, total number of pieces. Okay. So in this use case, how many number is in the sense like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I should get 5. Okay. So you should write a query such a way that I need to get total number will be 5. Okay. So this is one of the tricky question. Okay. So if you want to solve this requirement, you should have better understanding of the following concepts. Like what are the concepts? So see, we should know how to create a table, DDL, DML, TCL. Then what happens? Select DRL or DQM. So we should know one aggregate function and list tag. So concat or pipe symbol to club 2 or more strings. Regular expression count, set operators, and column alias. Okay, see, these are the concepts you should aware of. Okay, so one is how to create a table, fetching the data, aggregate function, list tag. Then what happen? Okay, clubbing or combining 2 strings, you go for pipe or concat, regexp count, set operators, column alias. Okay, if you know this concept, the requirement will be easy and you can able to easily understand. Okay, so we'll discuss some topics. Column alias. So it's simply like it is used to give a table or call a temporary name. Okay, if you want to give any name, we can go like this. So see, like readable purpose. So syntax is that what? Okay, column name as alias. Okay. So if you want to give some temporary name or like meaningful name, we can able to go for call. This is temporary purpose. Okay. So this we can able to say simple alias name. Without as or with as we can able to. Okay. Now in a similar fashion, we'll go for pipe symbol. So pipe symbol is nothing but what it is used to combine 2 or more string. Okay, syntax will be string 1, pipe symbol, string 2. Okay, if I want to club 2 strings into a single string, we should go for pipe or concat. Like a simple example is that one. Okay, so PLSQL is one string, developer is one string, and I want to get PLSQL and developer. How can I achieve by using what? By using pipe symbol. Okay, so this is one string, and this is one string, and this is one string. Okay, how can I club all this thing by using what? By using pipe or concat. Okay, hope this is clear. Okay, in similar fashion, you should know union all. Union all is one of the set operator. Okay, so what it will do? See, select Praveen and Kumar. Okay, so this is Praveen and this is Kumar. Okay, this is one result set and this is other set. I want to club into single list. How can I get by using union all? Okay, see, Praveen and Kumar. Okay, separate result set and separate result set. I want to club into single result set. Okay, hope this is clear. Now we'll see the actual requirement. Our requirement is that what? Okay, so we need to find number of pieces in all the columns. Okay, first we'll create data and okay, so once. Okay, now we'll create one table and we'll work upon. Okay, so first this is create is nothing but say it's a what type of statement? It's a DDL statement. Okay, data definition language. Okay, so try to create. So the table will get created automatically in the database and we'll go for insert. Okay, one record inserted, second record, third record, and fourth record. Okay, so this is insert is nothing but say what's a DML statements. Okay, so we need to commit explicitly. Okay, using commit, data will be stored permanently. This is not but TCL, transaction control language. Now, how can I fetch the data by using what? By using select statement. Select is nothing but what? Say DRL or DQL, data retrieval or data query language. Okay, so see like this step by step. If any requirement, we should go slowly. Okay, see straight. Okay, selection from. We see this what happened. 4 records are there. Okay, see, we'll go and see the data whether it's there or not. Okay, so when you're learning that, take the screenshot and try to learn. Okay, so that it will be easy. Okay, now what happened? Okay, take the screenshot. So 1 second. So what's the requirement? Okay, so our requirement is that part. So take the screenshot. 1 second. Okay, we want to find number of occurrences of P. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now we'll go out to the use case and we can able to work upon. Okay, so see, now we are having what we are having. Okay, so we're having 4 columns and 4 records. Okay, now what we want to do step by step. Okay, there are so many ways. We'll see step by step. Okay, each and everything clearly. Select star from test underscore T. First we'll take first column. Okay, so where column 1 equal to P. It will give what? Okay, see, it will give 1 record. Okay, see, column 1 equals to P. Now what happened? Okay, now we'll take a count of star. So it will give what? Okay, count of star. Okay, so what we're trying to do, we are finding number of for the first column, how many P's are there? Okay. In a similar fashion, copy the same thing. In the second column, see how many cards are you having? One record. In the third, in a similar fashion, go for okay, see, column 3. So this is a simple and easy way. In the fourth column, okay. So see, so what happened? Okay, when you go here, okay, we're getting in the first column we're getting 1, second column 1, third column 1, fourth column we're getting 2. That's why you see. So see, okay. Now remember one thing. This is separate result set, separate result set, separate result set. I want to club into single. We should go for which concept? Okay, we should go for set of, that is union all. Okay, remember union all is nothing but what if it is used to combine one result set with other set into single result set. Okay, see 1 1. Okay, in a similar fashion, club this union all like this, same thing. Okay, so union, it's a simple way, but this is not recommended. We'll see. Okay, see what happened. Okay, now we're getting 1 1 3 plus. Okay, now this is 1 1 1 2. Okay, I want to do addition. How can you do addition? We should go for what? We should go for, so we should go for aggregate function. Okay, so before that we should give one heading. So this is nothing but what? Column alias. Okay, so see, so first what we have did. Okay, see, first we have find, so for each column we are finding how many number of p's are there. Okay, so see p's. So in a similar fashion, what we are taking all the columns, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. Okay. So by using set operators, we are clubbing all this into single layers. Okay. Now what happened? We can write outer query one more time. So select star from bracket open. So bracket close. Now what happened? This will access one more table. Now see this thing. Now what happened? Okay. Now we want to do aggregate. Okay. How can you do aggregate? We should go for sum of column. Got the point? So see, we can put, okay, one alias name. Okay, so we can put one alias like, so as number of occurrences of P. So that what like requirement is that what? Okay, we need to get output as 5. This is one. This is a simple way, but we need to put, okay, we need to take each column, we need to find P, how many P's are there, we need to do aggregate function. Okay, this is one way. Okay. So we'll see one more way. Okay, so hope this is clear. So what we did, okay, so taking first column, second column, third column, and clubbing by using union and finding by using aggregate function. This is one way. In a similar fashion, we are having so many ways. The first way is this thing. Second way will go for different thing. Again, select star from table. Okay, whenever you get requirement, populate data and try to see, okay, whether we can able to do or not. Okay, how can we see? So this is what select star from test. Okay, 4 records are there. Next step is that what? Okay, now simple thing. Now what I'm trying to do? Okay, so what I say, suppose I'm having select Praveen. Okay, Kumar from real. Okay, now what? See, this is separate column, separate column. I want to club. How can I club by using what? By using pipe symbol. Okay, pipe symbol. Okay, now see pipe symbol. Okay, now what happen if I want to find number of occurrences of, we will go for reg xp count, reg xp count. So see what happen. Okay, so next one we'll see regular expression. So see wherever is there, it will give what? Okay, number of occurrences. 2 is added. Okay, 2 is added. Suppose I put a, we'll get 2. Okay, so what the point? Now we'll see different use case. Okay, go back here. Select star from test. Now what I'm trying to do? I'm clubbing. So column 1, take column 1, comma column 2, comma column 3, column 4. Now what I'm trying to do? I'm trying to clubbing. Okay, how to club? Column 1, pipe. So see what I'm trying to do? I'm clubbing first column, second column, okay, third column, and fourth column. Okay. So now what happens? See, so we can get, okay. Now what I'm trying to do? I'm finding the regular expression count. Okay. So first step is that what? I'm clubbing all the columns into single column. Next, I'm trying to put reg xp count. What we want to find? We want to find the number of occurrences of P. Okay, hope this is clear. See, we are getting 2 1 1. Okay, now what happened? Okay, now we need to do aggregate function. Say sum. So go to the pointer. Sorry, 5 same. Okay, we should put some column alias. Okay, occurrence P. Some I'm putting P. Got the point. So if you are not able to follow, we'll see one more time. So select star from test underscore T. Okay, so see this thing, what happens projecting all star is nothing but it's a projection operator. It will project all the columns in my table. So there are 4 columns and 4 records are there. Now what I'm trying to do, okay, I'm putting instead of star, I'm putting column 1, separately I'm writing column 2, column 3 and column 4. Okay. Now what happened? Now I want to club. How can I club? By using, we can go for either concate. Okay, so simply can write concate bracket open, we can put okay, concat, okay, concat, or else you can go for pipe one, pipe, like this pipe you can go, or you will go concat. Next one is that what, okay, I want to find number of occurrence. Here 2 p's are there, 4 p's are there, okay. Now how to get by using reg xp count, regular expression count, bracket open. Now what happen, okay, bracket open, comma, okay, p. So it will give what, it will give separately, okay, first column, okay, first record 2 1 1, okay. Now we want to do addition. How can you do addition in SQL? We will go for sum aggregate function, okay. So like this we can able to get the value. Hope this is clear. So see, like this we can able, okay, we should put one column alias, okay, suppose like, okay, occurrence something, okay. Now what happened, so this is the same, okay. So see, so we should put double quotes, something like, okay, so something occurrence of p something, okay. Hope this is clear. So this is the second way. Okay. So there are so many ways are there. Okay. So you can take anything, but what happened? You should have, okay. So this is second way by using concatenation, regexp count, and aggregate function. Okay. Suppose we are having one more option. Okay. So what is the operation? Okay. Simple thing. I'll write one. Okay. So if you know the concept, you can play anything. Okay. So we should understand, focus on learning the concept. Okay. Suppose I'm having select 1, 2. Okay. Suppose like select 1. Select 2. So what happened? Club first is a set with the second list. Okay. So one more way is that what? Okay. So we are having, suppose, 1 second. Okay. So take this column, take this table name, select star from this table. It is projecting all the columns and all the records. Okay. Now suppose like I'm taking column 1. Okay. Now column 1, what we are getting data? We are getting data like, okay. So you are getting what? Data in the form of P, C, okay, P, C, D, T. Okay. Now my requirement is that what I want to club P, C, D, D. How can I club by using which concept? Anybody? So by using what? List aggregate function. So by using list aggregate function, we can able to get, okay, simple. I'm putting list tag, bracket open, bracket close. Now see what happened. Data is coming like PCD. Okay, got the point one more time. So data is there what? Okay, see this data. Data is there what? Okay, so it is in vertical format. I want to put in horizontal. How can I get by using list aggregate function? By using list aggregate function, we can able to get like this. Got the point? So you see like, okay, it's different use case. Okay, same thing like we can able to perform it. This is the third approach. Okay, third approach. Okay, so same thing. What happened? Select star from table name. It is projecting all the columns and all the records in the particular table. Okay. So now what happened? First I'll do. So first I'll concat. Okay, so see, same thing. Okay. So how to concat? Okay, you can go. So mention column 1, comma column 2. 1 second. Next to column 3. Next to column 4. Okay, column 4. Now what happened? Okay, getting 4 columns. Now what we are trying to put? Pipe symbol. Pipe, pipe, and pipe. Okay, I'm clubbing all these things. Okay, like this. Okay. Now see, we are getting data like this way. Now what I said earlier. Okay, we want to do list aggregate. How to do list aggregate? Okay, we can able to put list tag, list aggregate. Okay, so we are combining. Okay, 1 second. Now what we are trying to do, we are putting all this thing into single column. Okay, single value. Okay, see, list tag. Now see, we are getting like this. Simple. Now what happened? Now we can able to find reg xp count, reg xp count. Okay, so we can able to get. So see, like this we can able to put p. Okay, 5 came. Okay, so what we did, okay, one more time. So just to say, like there are so many approaches are there. Like you should know the concept. Okay, if you know the concept, it's a simple and easy to understand. Okay, easy to solve any type of the complicated topics. Okay, from test underscore t. Okay, it's projecting all the columns. Now what happened? I'm putting concat. So concat, bracket open, bracket close. Okay, see this thing. Now what happened? Clubbing all this thing into single. See, separate, like clubbing always a separate column. Now what happened while going for list aggregate? So list aggregate, what it will do? Okay, vertical column will convert into horizontal way. Okay. So this is clear. Now what happened? You can go for reg xp count. Okay, reg xp count. We need to find number of occurrences of p. Okay, simple. Okay, see. Okay. Got the point. Suppose if interviews ask, okay, I want without using regular expression. Okay, so then what? Okay, we need to go for other approach. Okay, so some interviews they want, okay, without using regexp. So what's approach? We need to go. Okay, we can go for a replace and the length function. Same thing we can go for without regexp. We can go. Okay. So before that, what? Select. So Praveen. Okay, Praveen is my name. Okay, so string. Okay, assume like Praveen is the string. Okay, from dual table. Okay. Now what happened? Okay, now wherever p is there, wherever is there, I want to replace with x. How can I replace? We'll go for replace function. Okay, single quote. So wherever is there, I want replacing with x. Okay, see, it's giving x. Now question is that what I want to find the number of occurrences of e. So I want e. How many times we're getting? 2 times we're getting. Okay, without. Okay, see, first step is what just now we discussed what by using reg xp. Okay, reg xp count. We can able to find number of occurrences of E. Okay, see what we can from DL. Okay, how many records will get? See, we'll get 2. Okay, but question is that what without using regexp, I want to figure out how to get. Okay, same. Okay, replace, take it here and paste here. Okay, now what happened? Okay, see, wherever is there, I'm putting x. Now instead of x, I'm removing nothing. See what happened? Now what happened? Tell me what will be PRAVEN. Okay, see, out will be what? Out will be PRAVN. Okay, now what happened? I need to find the length of Praveen. Okay, length of Praveen. See, we're rating 7. Again, need to find the length of this value. Okay, so length of this value. So that what? Length of this value. Now what happened? Tell me. So 7, we need to minus 7 minus 5. It will give 2 records. Okay. So like this way. First we are finding the Praveen length. And what we are trying to, wherever E is there, we are replying with empty. In the sense like output will be PRAVN. So 7 minus 5 occurrences will be 2. What the pointer? So without regexp, if anybody asks no interview, like we need to go like this. Okay. Take the length of the actual string. Next, replace the wherever is there, we need to replace with empty string. So that what PRAVN. So we need to find the length like this. Okay. So same approach, what we are trying to do. So take the same thing. So there are so many like, okay, like if you find any approach, post in the comments. Okay, we'll see this. Okay, so this is another way. Okay. Now what happened? Okay, go back here. Okay, so see this thing. Select column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. Okay. Now what happened? What I said, I need to concat. How can I concat by using concat? Okay, so see this thing, concat. Concat. Now what happened? List tag. By using list tag create, we can able to club into single. Now what I said, okay, now we need to replace. Okay, we'll go for replace. So wherever page there, we're just to replace. So replace. Okay, now we need to find this length. Okay. So this length of the string. Okay. So 16. Now again we need to find this length. Okay. So this will give like around, okay, around it will be 11, I guess. See? So 16 minus 11. Okay, so see this thing. You have to see this result. It will be 11. Okay, now what happened? 16. We need to do subtraction. It will do what? It will do 5. Okay, so see. We'll put some name. Okay, some name. Okay, we're getting 5. Hope this is clearer. So see, so same thing. What happened? Same. Okay, approach is same. Okay, see, we are finding the total length and we're trying to replace with wherever place that we are trying to go. Okay, so this is another approach. Okay, there are so many approaches. Okay, so got the point now? So by using list tag, by using concat, and by using length and replace, we can able to get things clear. Okay, hope this is clear. Yes or no? Okay, so we'll see another approach. Okay, so see, we'll see 2 more approaches. Okay, that's why I would say if you know SQL, we can able to play anything. Okay, so that's why what SQL is mandatory for any type of a data analyst or data engineer. Okay, SQL is very, very important. If you know SQL, we can able to do any type of things. Now we'll see different approach. Test underscore T. Now what happened? Now we'll go for what case statement. Okay, case is nothing but what? It's a condition statement. Okay, so see, we can able to go back. So take the same thing. Now we'll go for case approach. Okay, so see. Now what happened? Star case when column 1 equals to P Then what happened? Then we are putting, if when suppose like you see, we are okay, first understand, we'll take the column 1, then you can do that here. We are taking the column 1. Okay, what is our approach? Okay, so see, first we are taking in the particular column, we are checking where is the P is there. Okay, how can check? We will go for case statement. Case when column 1 equals to P. Okay, when column 1 equal to P, what happened? Then we are putting then 1. Okay, if it is not matching, then it will be else 0. Okay, so this is the case statement. One more time. So wherever P is there, we are putting 1. Wherever P is not there, we are putting 0. Okay, see. So case 1, so see 1, 0. Okay, got the point. In a similar fashion, go for okay case 1 like this. Okay, case 1. So we can put bracket. Okay, this is the first case. So in a similar fashion, same case 1. Suppose if you're not able to follow, so go for column 2. You can able to remove this thing so that it will be simple and understand. And okay, so remove this column. Now what happened? We are a column 2. Okay, so column 2. Okay, like this. Okay, column 2, column 3, column 4. Okay, so column 3, column 4. Okay, wherever column 3. Okay, so wherever column 4. Okay, same thing we are getting. Okay, see, like this way you can able to get clearer so far. Okay, like this. Okay, now what happened? We want to do addition. Okay, so what we are trying to do? Okay, so we can able to put. Okay, so remove this all the columns. Okay, so we don't want all the columns. So remove this value. So what wherever PS we are putting just 1. Okay, then we need to do addition. That's it. So what happened? Put plus. Okay, plus. So bracket open, bracket close. What happened? Anywhere any issues? Okay, we can put some. Okay, yes. Okay. Okay, see here what happened. Okay, see here, okay, comma is there. Okay, that's an issue. Okay, so see this thing. Okay, now we go here. Okay, now we'll do. Okay, so you can able to get. Okay, see this data. We'll putting some value, nm. So 2144. Okay, 2 double. Now what happened? We should go for some function. Okay, some function. So this is because of comma, it's giving issue. Okay, got the quantum. So see case when column 1 equal to P, like this we can able to go. Okay, so we are using the case statement. Column 1 equal to P, then we can able to go like this. Hope this is clear. So this is one approach. Okay, see one more time. So what we're trying to do, we are point wherever column 1 is, wherever P is there, we're putting 1. If it is not there, we're putting 0. Okay, so now we are doing addition. How can you do addition? By using aggregate function. Okay, hope this is clear. Now we'll see one more last approach. Okay, that's okay. See last approach. We close this. Okay, see what happened. Select star from test underscore t. Okay, test underscore t is giving all the columns and all the records. Okay, now what happened? Okay, now different approach. Now what happened? We'll go for select column 1 from test 1. Okay, so this is we are taking first column. Okay, in a similar fashion we're putting second column. Okay, so we are taking all the columns. Okay, so this is different approach. Okay, column 2. So see what we're trying to, okay, see first column. Okay, first column result set, second column result set, we'll get 8 records. So total we get what? We'll get 16 records. Okay, so remove the semicolon, column 3, column 4. Okay, so got the point of what we're trying to do. We are putting column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. Okay, in a so total will be 16 records will be there. Okay, see 16 records. Now what happened? We are putting on the top, we are putting one more outer select statement. Select star from bracket open and bracket close. Okay, so see this thing. 1 second. Okay. So select star from. So that what will give? Okay, see. So okay, totally 16 records. Now what happened? Okay, now we go. Suppose like we want to filter. Okay, so if you see there, what happened? We're getting what? Okay, we're getting AAC something. Okay, suppose what is the requirement? We want to filter only P record. Okay, so how to filter P record? We should go for where. So one second. So see column 1, column 2, column 3, like this we are putting. And what we are trying to do, okay, we are putting column 1, column 2, column 3. Okay, now we are putting where column 1 equals to P. Okay, we are extracting only P record. Okay, so P record. Now we need to find what? We need to find the aggregate function. Okay, so you can able to find by using count of star. It will give what? Okay, it will give 5 records. Okay, suppose if you want to P, if you we can able to get it. Suppose if you want to get R record, we can able to get R record. Suppose R is suppose like if you want to find F record, we can able to how many record, how many Fs are there, we can able to. Suppose if I go for cross verification, now check how many Fs are there. So see 1, 2, 2 Fs are there. Okay, suppose like if I want to find the D, 1, 2, suppose like A, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 A's will come. When I put A, so we'll get 4. Got the pointer. So what we're trying to do, okay, we're taking first column, clubbing with the second column, clubbing with the third column, so club with the fourth column. Okay. Now what happened? We're getting all this, like all these results in a single column. Now what happened? We're on the top, we're putting one more. So see, select star. Okay. It will be like this. Okay, now what happened? Okay, if we remove this thing, now we are getting all this. Now we want to get only what? Only P record. Okay, so filter the P record. So now we need to get for total record. So see, so remove this thing. Okay, now what happened? Now put. Okay, now we need to put. Okay, what happened? Okay, union all spelling. Okay, so small mistakes will come. No issues. Okay, see, like this. Okay, 5 records. Okay, now we'll go for count of star. Okay, got the pointer like this way. If you clear so far, so requirement you should understand. Okay, so what's the requirement? We need to find the number of occurrences of E. So we need to find the number of occurrences of E. We can able to get easily. Okay, so okay, got the pointer. Hope this is clear. So see, okay, so there are so many approach. Okay, so we'll see one more time. What are the process we are following? Okay, so first approach is what? Simply taking union all. Okay, see union all. Okay, okay, so taking the count and putting the union all. This is one way. And second way is by using concat and regexp and aggregate function. Other approach is that what? Okay, concat. So other approach is what? So concat, list tag and regular expression count. And one more way is that what? Okay, by using length and replace function, we can able to get. Okay. So one more is that by case statement, case statement. And one more way is that by using what? By using what? So by using what? By using, so we are putting all the columns into single place and we are finding like this. Okay. Hope this is clear. So like this. Okay. So if any requirement comes, put the data and try to put some dummy data, try to work. Okay. Remember, SQL is important for anything. Okay? For any type of like PLSQL developer, Snowflake developer, or Power BI developer, or data analyst, anything. Okay. So you should focus on SQL. Okay? If you understand SQL, you can able to survive anything. Okay. Okay. If you like the content, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you for watching.